Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to isolate a subject, create transparent graphics or design professional looking visuals, Canva lets you remove image backgrounds in just one click, no Photoshop required. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to remove a background in Canva in 2026 cleanly, correctly and like a pro. So first thing first, log into your Canva account. Okay, open an existing design or click create. Okay, so I think let's choose a ready project. So for example, this one. Okay, so you will need a design canvas to edit images. Okay, so go to uploads in the left sidebar. Okay, click uploads files. Select your image, drag the image onto canvas, use a clear high resolution photo. Okay, so click on the image. Okay, make sure it's highlighted. The background remover only works on selected images, so click edit image in the top the top toolbar. Okay, and click background remover. Okay, so Canva will detect the subject and remove the background automatically. So that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.